In today's video, we'll create this text animation, which will be resized from bold to thin style. You'll love how easy it is. Create a new composition. Now create a new text layer and write down the text you want. Center the text. Set the thickest style of the font, in our case it's black. Duplicate the text layer and set the thinnest font style, in our font it's light. Now we have two text layers, one is black and the other is light. Name them for convenience. Now click on the Create Shape from Text for both layers. We can delete our text layers since we no longer need them. Get into the contents of our text shape. Here we can see each letter separately with its personal path. We'll work with the bottom layer. Set the keyframes on the path of the first letter R on the 0 frame. Move to the 30th frame, copy the path of the same letter from the upper layer light, and paste it to the 30th frame of on black layer. We're starting to see the result as we animated the path from the light to black style. Copy the keyframes from the 0 frame and paste them to 60th frame, so the letter will get back to its initial state. Repeat all the same with other letters. We can remove our upper light shape since we no longer need it. Now we need to animate the scale separately for each letter. To do this, we go to Transform of the letter. Set the first keyframe on the 0 frame in the very beginning. The second keyframe will place on the 30th frame. Set the scale here to 120%. Just like the path animation, the third keyframe for the scale will set on the 60th frame. It will be the initial state of the letter, 100% scale. Copy the keyframes and paste them to other letters. Now we need to copy the last two keyframes for the path and scale and duplicate them a couple of times. Repeat the same for other letters. select all of the keyframes and easy ease them with Fn plus F9. Set the speed graphs. Now we need to offset each letter 5 frames forward. Just offset all of the keyframes of every next letter. Pre-compose the result and call it text. Add a posterized time effect to our pre-compose. Set the frame rate to 12 frames per second. Create a new shape layer, and with the ellipse tool, draw an ellipse on the text, approximately with this size ratio. Add a Gaussian blur effect to our ellipse, and in the blurriness parameter set the value to 180. Add a solid composite effect to our ellipse. Call the ellipse blur mask and disable it. Now, create a new adjustment layer. Add a camera lens blur effect to it. In the blur radius parameter, set the value to 25. In the blur map parameter, link blur mask and select effects and masks from the source list. Now we can see some blurred areas around the ellipse we've created before. Add an optics compensation effect to our adjustment layer. Drag it on top over other effects we've added, and in the field of view parameter, set the value to 12. Enable reverse lens distortion. Now we'll add a 3D glasses effect and drag it up under the optics compensation effect. Link the left view parameter to the same adjustment layer. In the 3D view parameter, pick the balanced colored red-blue. Set the value to 29 in the balance parameter. We can make some adjustments with the field of view parameter inside of the optics compensation effect. Now, we can see really nice aberrations.
If you're into animation, check our 4000 templates for video editing.
Here you can find dozens of video templates for your project, from title animation to YouTube outros and much more. Pick a template for the software you use and preview all categories included inside. Video editing has never been easier.
So make sure you have visited our easyedit.pro website.
Now, duplicate our pre-compose and call the lower copy a text blur. Add a fastbox blur effect to it. Set the blur radius to 15. Add a fill effect to it and pick the color. Set the opacity of this layer to 70%. Get back to the adjustment layer and add a noise effect to it. Set the amount of noise to 15%. And finally, disable the Use Color noise. And just like that, we've created this resized text animation from bold to thin.
If you like the result, make sure to hit the like button and follow our channel for more tutorials. See you in next video.